Good morning. Today is July 17th, Monday. Back at it again, so let's see what I can present to you guys today. Oh, yeah. Just coming down right here, walking the side, checking it out. Look up. See some tines sticking out. Oh, yeah. Let's go check that bad boy out. Nice. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Brownie. Get some pics and I'll get you guys a pickup. Awesome. About 45 minutes into the hike, come up with a good sized brownie. Let's get a pickup for you guys. Yeah. Heavy. Check that base out. It's awesome. Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah, see if we can match him up and let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just picked up that brownie just right there. Come walking this way. Seen that point. It's a little side by side. Yeah. Brown elk set right here. Nice. This is awesome. Get some pics of this guy. I'm right by a road too. There's a road that goes right here. It goes up and around or up that way. It's a set right here. Awesome. Well, let me get some pics and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Nice. Let me get a pickup for you guys. Yeah. Monster. Got a monster set right here. Yeah. Awesome. Let's go see if we can find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just walking down right here to look down below me. Oh yeah. It's like a rag. Nice. Still got these in hand. Yeah. Doing good so far. Let's go get some pics of this and get a picture for you guys. I'm gonna pick up. Nice. Number 4 so far. I had to change out my cap. It's getting all sweaty. It's getting humid. It's been raining off and on these last couple of days. Let's get a pickup. Rag. Nice. Awesome. Look at last year's. Yeah. Awesome. Let's go make our way back to the Right. Go a little lower on this area right here. So stay tuned, see if we can present some more. Oh yeah. Just walking up this way, checking it out. It's a little lower than I was earlier. Happened to walk up on another one. Right there. Right behind that log. Well, let's check that bad boy out. Nice. Oh yeah, looks like a 5. Can't tell. Awesome. Look at that triple brow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe a 7-pointer. Let me get some pics and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Awesome. Let's get a pickup. Kind of chewed up right here. And this one too. Look at that triple brow. Last year's antler. Man. Pretty heavy. Has some weight. Yeah. This is awesome. Let's see if we can match him up. Let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Zigzagging down, I just came right here. Looking for some more. Come across. Big guy. Big old brownie. Yeah. Let's check that bad boy out. See the matches close by. Damn. It's a big one. Yeah. Getting chewed up right here on the first. Dang, it's a good size one too. Yeah, I just picked up that guy. That one. Up here, somewhere up here. I was just zigzagging down. I picked that guy up now. Man, good sized brownie right here. This is awesome. Well, let me get some pics of this and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Awesome. Let's get a pickup. Woo-ha. Oh, nice one. Got some weight to it too. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad for a part morning, part afternoon hike. Just getting ready to head in. Got a birthday dinner I gotta attend to today. Give you a shout out to my boy Ishmael. His birthday's today. He's turning 18, so I'll take him out to go eat at a steakhouse. Awesome. Yeah. Happy birthday, son. Let's check out that base. Dang, not bad. This one I just picked up too just a while ago. Not bad for 5.5 hours hiking. Awesome. Yeah. Let's Making my way back to the trucks. Get you guys a closure. The first one I picked up today. Not bad. Awesome. Heavy brown. The biggest set I found. Nice. Yeah, side by side. This guy was 6. Last year's. Awesome. Dang, this guy too was tripping out. Triple brow. Last year's hard white. Had to be chewed up a little here and there. Blue cows probably, or whatever. So out here chewing on them. Base is pretty crazy too. Oh, pretty heavy. Oh yeah. Last one I picked up. Man, I gotta come back in here and see if I can match him up. This is awesome. Yeah. Well, thank you guys again for following along. Thank you for checking out the videos. I've been trying to get out here and hit the mountains more and more, but the truck's been down. My only transportation out is Nikki. She's been taking me out sometimes, getting into some new areas too. Man, oh man, I'm coming back in here though. See if I can match this bad boy up and that other guy. They're just laying out in the open. So thanks again for following along. If you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, throw a comment down. I'll get back with your comments. Today is July 17th, my son's birthday. Ishmael, if you're watching, happy birthday, son. And we'll see you soon. We'll be able to take you out, and maybe in the next, I'll show you the cake that we were making. Me and Nikki, we made them a pretty good sized cake, so I'll present it on this video at the end. So you guys have a great evening, a great afternoon. Take care and God bless. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is what the birthday we're talking about for my son. Got made a cake out of dollar bills. Says Ish, happy birthday. It's about $160 of ones, all rolled up. It's not bad. It was Nikki's idea. Came up with a good idea for my boy. No longer a boy, he's actually a young man right now. 18 years old, man. Awesome. Thank you guys. I also still have some caps, some Pachitines caps. If you guys still want some, hit me up. Still waiting on responses for the ones that didn't answer back yet, but I still have a lot more caps. A new batch just came in, so it's awesome. Well, you guys have a blessed evening. I think it's time to take my son out to go eat. Help him celebrate his birthday. You guys have a blessed evening. Take care and God bless. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ishmael. Happy birthday to you. Ow! Awesome. Happy birthday, son.
Thank you.